Hello Animal Jammers, this is Cupcakes in the Candy Shop here with the latest and greatest of Animal Jam news and games, and today I'm going to be doing another mail time. Yay! I have 11 letters because Funny Cat 27, she sent me, 2. So, we're going to start from the older ones. So, Boo from Molly132144. Epic Wonders Orb. Thank you, Molly. I'm so tired. Okay. I'm no that good. Starreyes. Thank you, Starreyes. I actually like the Cupid wings better than the angel wings, mostly because they look more normal on people. Okay. So thank you. Pretty sure I already sent like a thank you card to everybody else because I have like a new design of thank you card, which I'll show you at the end of this video. Here you go from Starreyes. Pigtails. Oh, thank you. Aren't those like valuable? Ugh, my mouse is freaking out. Okay. You need it, LOL, from Starreyes. And sorry guys, I'm trying to be quiet because there's people napping in this house. Rare Mech Angel Helmet. Oh, thank you. It'll go with my... I'm pretty sure I have Mech Angel wings that color, but I don't know if I got rid of it or not. Okay. For you, darling, LOL. Starreyes. I'm forgetting to show the player cards because I'm so excited. That's Starreyes with her awesome eagle, and I'll show you the other one. She's on my friends list somewhere here. Okay, right here. Molly132144 is right here with her cheetah. Okay. Rock on from... Oh, wait. Okay. For the Cupcake Queen from Starreyes. Oh, thank you. Okay. I don't know why my Animal Jam's being so slow, so I apologize for that. Oh no, did you hooray your eye? Maybe hurt your eye? Star Eye from Starreyes. Oh, I get it, because it's an eye patch. Rare eye patch. Thank you. Animal Jam Rocks from Starreyes. A raccoon tail, thanks. Are those, put in the comments, are raccoon tails, valuable, or what? Because I think they are, but I don't know. Last from Starreyes. A lantern necklace, thank you. I've never seen one of those before. Okay, Rock and Roll from Funny Cat 27. Her wolf is awesome. Okay, a heart locket, thank you. Duh. It takes forever to load. Okay. Rock On from Funny Cat 27. A candy cane tiara, thank you. Well, I guess that ends this video. I finally got my recorder to work. It hasn't really been working for the past couple of days, and I don't really know, but I just, I got 11 jamograms, and I was like, okay, I need to do a mail time, so then I checked to see if the recorder was working, and it was. So then I decided that I was going to do this video, so. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed. Please hit that button, subscribe, and all that other fun stuff. JoJo's out. JoJo's out. JoJo out. This is the new thank you card. If you send me a gift or gifts, you will get one of these, and it will say thank you, of course. And yeah, so if you ever send me a gift or something, you will always get a thank you back. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, JoJo out.